Haha, what's up, guys? I've got something really exciting to show you. Now, if you want the hottest product to promote this year, we have literally just started recruiting people to promote Secrets of Success, right? And the reason that we're recruiting people is because I'm giving you the resources so you can go and promote this without a website, without any email list. And in fact, you don't need to put yourself on camera, but I'm going to show you how to basically use Canva, create a very simple video and take advantage. And you can see what I actually give you, the resources I give you like a magic funnel that keeps listings there for years, right? But not only that, I show you how to get listings immediately. These are all my students, right? And they're all ranking for this term, right now. They've knocked me off the top 10 because I just showed them how I do it, right? And they're all ranking for top 10. Now, this only launched yesterday, which means that over the next few weeks, there's going to be heat building for this. People over the next sort of between next 2 to 3 to 4 weeks to a year, this is going to get mocked because people are going to be posting about it on social media. People are going to be joining it. There's going to be ads out there, which Russell's going to be running and his team. So everybody's going to be looking for these things to come and join this program. Now, not only that, they have a 2-tier system. So when you promote it, anybody that comes under you, when they promote it, you get commissions from that as well, right? So you get 40% first tier, 10% second tier. And not only that, I've actually built a magic funnel so you can actually get triple commissions, right? With kind of like built in. And people are going crazy and killing it with sales, right, already. But the heat has been up until now, until the launch for people to join the affiliate program. Now the heat's going to start building for the actual product itself, which is a kind of an most incredible free gift ever, which is called a Mifki. And basically, it's a documentary. People sign up. Now, if you want to join this, you want to be putting up videos every day. And those who do that in the first few months, I've got this keyword list here, right? These are the keywords. Let me just make this a bit bigger so you can see it. So, if you want to go and put videos up now, do it. But if you join with me, right, I'll give you a 20-point upload checklist and a 3-hour training on how to actually create the videos and rank them, right? This 20-point checklist is everything you need to rank on the front page of Google to go and do this, right? Now, and another thing that happens as well, I just put this video up today, right? And literally just like less than an hour ago, and I'm ranking for Russell Brunson. Now, I do not have authority over this term. And this term, if you actually look on here, this keyword tool will show you that Russell Brunson gets 282,000 searches per month. So what I've done is I've hijacked some of those searches today. I'm ranking, this is an ad. So 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm ranking number 5. So I'm going to be getting however many like this, work that out, 285,000 divided by 30, say. So there'll be 9,500 people today looking for Russell Brunson. So I'm going to be able to hijack some of those into this offer because people are going to be looking for Russell Brunson for all sorts of reasons. But then they're going to see, oh, look, he paid $1.5 million for a book. They'll click it and then they'll find out about the documentary via my affiliate link. Right, so you see how that works. And that's why you want to be putting up videos every day. And what happens is when you start to claim authority over, say, for instance, I carried on putting up videos with Russell Brunson's name in it, Google starts to think that I'm the authority and then it gives me like solid rankings, right? And that's how you get the authority. But basically, you can hijack all these big keywords. Like if I put in here Secrets of Success, I'll show you how much search for volume that's getting a month at the moment. Right, so you can see I'm ranking, this is sponsored, I'm ranking number 3 on the whole planet for this, right? And this one here is getting 10,000 searches per month, right? So as you put these videos up, a lot of these are less than 24 hours. They're claiming the front page of Google, but they're building that authority. And then what happens is that as the heat builds on this, you get all these, basically all this traffic's going to be coming to you over long term. Now, don't get put off by this because, trust me, most people will drop off. They'll get bored. They'll do other things. And if you just carry on putting up videos, like this one's a minute long, and you can just like batch them. You can basically, you could do them all in an afternoon and then just send them out one per day, right? Then you'll start claiming that authority. And this is, like anybody who takes advantage of affiliate launches cleans up in the first year. This only launched yesterday, so it's going to be... this heat's going to be building over the next few weeks. So you want to be taking advantage now, right? So go to the link on the screen, tripfunnels.com/SOS. You can go straight and sign up as an affiliate, or you can drop me your email address and I will send you some bonuses which will help you promote this, right? Either or, you can do, either way, right? If you just want to get going. But obviously, I'd recommend giving me your email address because then I can send you the bonuses. So that's it. That's all I have for today. Go and check this out. And I can't wait to see your results.